Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Butler for Trello, and I'm going to be showing you an alternative. So let's get right into it. Now, Butler for Trello was a integration way before. It was used to automate some tasks, repetitive tasks in Trello to make your life and your job easier. However, the support has stopped, so you cannot use Butler in Trello anymore. However, they have set up their own automation functions, so I'm going to go over them. Now, to create automation rules or anything of the sort, go into your board and click on automation in the top right. Here you can set up rules, buttons, or email reports. So let's go into rules. Now, as you can see, if you go into rules, you can very easily create a new one by creating another rule. As you can see, I already have a rule over here, and you can create an automation by clicking on create an automation here. As you can see, for rules, you can add a trigger. So for example, card changes when the green label is added to a card by me, for example, you can add that as a trigger, and then you need to select an action. For example, move the card to the top of the list, and let's say, for example, to do, or done rather, or actually let's say in progress, and then add that. Then you can review this and save. You can also add another action, but in this case, I'll save it. Now, as you can see here, when the green label is added to a card by me, move the card to the top of the list in progress. So let's go to in progress, add a card, just name it whatever you want. Go here, add a label, and well, actually I'll add some other cards first so that you can see that the most bottom one, as you can see here, if I add the green label like so, it should move to the top of the list like that since it is automated. And that is pretty much how you automate your work. You can also add buttons, for example, like so. You can automate it. You can also make scheduled automation, due date automation. You can add card buttons. For example, if I go to create a button, you can very easily just title the button name, for example, test, enabled by default, close card when action is completed or performed, for example. You can add whichever icon you want. I'll add a bot icon, add an action, move the card to the top of the list, in progress, add that, and click save. And now I've made the button. So for example, if I go to this and I have the test custom button, click on that, and once it's done, as you can see, it's gone to the top of the list. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.